Heads up.
What the hell is this?
Warriors train every day.
Sorry, but I'm not in the mood.
Sorry's not gonna help that guard that you defaced at the Pentagon.
2 months ago, I was a barista. I had no idea I had some psycho hawk goddess inside of me. And then I meet Carter and he convinces me to let her out. And now that he's gone, I can't control it. So thanks for the offer, but I won't risk letting that monster out again.
That monster inside you, it's not gonna go away. You have to learn how to control her.
And how exactly do you expect me to do that?
Let's find out.
Are we done here yet?
If you want to harness your power, you need to learn to control your fear.
Yeah, well, you've been training for half your life to be some cold-blooded assassin, so I really don't think you understand what it's like.
Before you can control it, you have to accept that it's part of you.
Ease up, will you?
You gotta channel your anger.
Sarah, stop!
Push down your emotions. Focus on your opponent. Kendra?
Sarah, I'm so sorry.